Hey everyone, welcome back to Tips and Tricks. In today's episode, number 107, we're diving into a really simple but super effective way to make your Google Sheets not just more organized, but visually appealing and easier to read. We're talking about how to use themes in Google Sheets. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to give your data a polished, professional look, and trust me, it's a lot easier than you might think. So let's get started. Suppose you already have some data set up in your spreadsheet. Maybe it's a budget, a log of your workouts, or even a school project. Your columns, rows, and maybe even a few charts are all in place. But if you're like most people, the sheet probably still looks a little plain, right? Well, one of the quickest ways to synchronize the look and feel of every single element, your text, borders, chart colors, everything, is by applying a theme. Here, how to do it. First, make sure your Google Sheet is open with your data ready to go. Then up at the top of the screen, find the Format menu. Give that a click. You'll notice about midway down the drop-down an option called Theme. Go ahead and select that. This is where the magic happens. Now, once you click on Theme, you'll see a new sidebar pop up over on the right side of your screen. This is your theme picker. You'll see a variety of different themes here, each one with its own unique combination of accent colors, background shades, and font styles. You can scroll through and preview them just by clicking. Let's pause for a second. If you're wondering why you'd want to use a theme instead of changing each color or font manually, imagine you're redecorating a room. Picking out matching colors for the walls, the curtains, the sofa, it can get overwhelming fast. Themes are like having a pro interior designer step in and instantly coordinate everything for you with one click. Go ahead and click through a few different themes. As you do, you'll notice your sheet updates live, so you can instantly see which look you prefer. All your charts, borders, and text colors adjust automatically, making everything look cohesive, almost like you spent a ton of time planning it all out. If your document is being shared with others, this really helps it stand out and makes the data easier to interpret at a glance. Don't worry if you pick a theme and then change your mind later. You can come back to this sidebar anytime through the Format menu and switch things up. And if you want to tweak the details even further, there's usually an option to customize colors and fonts in the theme settings, so you get full control. Take a moment to check how your charts and tables look now. The titles, the grudlins, even the smallest color accents should all feel much more unified. This isn't just about visual style. When your spreadsheet looks intentional and clean, it actually helps people read and understand your data faster and helps you feel more confident when sharing it. And that's all there is to it, just a few clicks and you can totally transform the vibe of your Google Sheet. If you found this tip helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. If you have any questions or want to share your favorite theme for a specific kind of project, drop a comment down below. I love hearing your ideas. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on future tutorials and new tricks and tips episodes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.